Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchandna Senapati District Chatuna United Naga Council gi mihut singga unakre. National Highway da chathariba economic blockade handoknabagi matangda wari sanakre. Ngasi Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand gi khongchat aduda Deputy Chief Minister Losi Dikho, Thanga SC MLA T Robindro, Karong SC MLA J Kumosa, Ketrigao SC MLA Sheikh Nurul Hassan amade Senapati District ki DC Dharun Kumar so loinake. Chief Minister ne luchingba team aduna Senapati District ki DC ke office ta United Naga Council ki mihut singa unaduna wari sanakhe. Mifa maduga mari lainana UNC ki President NG Lorho Nahai. Mifa madu mai pakna pangthok khibaga loinana magun leiba mifam amani. Mifa madu gi khudong chaba lauraga Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchanda demand mari yauba memorandum amasu pisinke. Memorandum aduda yauriba demand sing adugi manungda Liangmai Naga ge micham taruk hatkiba aduge achumba wayel phanghallu. Lailon Wi-Fi khulge Chief Phagatlu amade Kuki Kutlai Paiba Group Singa Chathanariba suspension of operation abrogate tau haibana chingba demand sing yauri haike. Mifamadu loiraba matungda Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand amade Deputy Chief Minister Losi Dikho yauna MLA Singh aduna mautamna chatkhi hairi.
We have four point of charter of demand, and until that demand is being fulfilled, we are not in the position to claim or take the dead bodies from the mob. Demand is to abrogate the SHU agreements with the Kuki militant and to arrest all the perpetrators involved in the kidnapping and murder, and also to arrest the chief of Lalon Vaipai, and then to remove Nimcha Kipjan from the Deputy Chief Minister. Economic blockades, it is enforcing as of now, and if the government is not so serious about the issue, then it could be, we could intensify more. We could go for stringent actions.